Have you ever wondered which functions are available for use in Excel? In previous content, some basic functions may have been introduced, but in this session, we will focus on all the functions that are used in Excel and the easiest way to find and explore them.
We are starting with a worksheet that already contains some data. The goal is to apply relevant functions to this worksheet efficiently. To explore available functions, go to the Formulas tab and select Insert Function. This is one of the fastest ways to view and access all the functions provided by Excel 365. Once you open the Insert Function dialog box, you will see a complete list of functions categorized by their purpose. These functions come with descriptions and their syntax, making it easier to understand how they work and when to use them. This built-in feature of Excel is a powerful tool for anyone who needs to work with calculations, data manipulation, or logical operations. Currently, Excel includes more than 400 functions, which cover a wide range of categories including mathematical, statistical, text, date and time, financial and logical operations, among others. Understanding where to find these functions and how to view their usage is essential for improving efficiency and accuracy when working in Excel. This overview helps you become familiar with the function library in Excel 365 and gives you a clear method to access and use them directly from within the spreadsheet environment. It sets the foundation for further learning, where each function can be explored more deeply based on the task you are handling